Hi friends, it's Beck from Easy Nail Art, and today we're going to see if this $3 bottle of nail polish holds up against this $20 bottle of nail polish. Are they exactly the same? We're going to take a look. So here we have the colors side by side. On the left we have Golden Hour by Ulta3. On their website it's for sale for $2.95 Australian. And on the right, we have Queen Bee by Starrily, which is available on the Femme Fatale website in Australia for $19.80. So what's the difference? As you can see, both are a creamy mustard yellow polish. So how do they apply? Let's take a look. First coat of the cheaper polish Golden Hour. Apply quite nicely, but very thin. Definitely needs 2 coats. First coat of Queen Bee, and this polish is definitely thicker. It's a little bit difficult to work with straight after the thinner polish, and you can see it's applied a bit patchy, but far more pigmented. Second coat of Golden Hour, okay coverage in 2 coats. I would probably go for a third coat. And second coat of Queen Bee, and this is nicely pigmented, nicely covered in the second coat. You can see the patchiness gone and it's just fully opaque. In the final comparison, you can see definitely the more expensive polish was more mustard. So what did you think? Did you think one polish was worth $20? Did you think that that polish is worth about $17 more than the second one? In my opinion, the Starrily is more mustard colored, definitely truer to form. To be fair, I didn't do 3 coats of the other because the Starrily didn't need 3 coats, so I thought 2 coats was a fair comparison. The cheaper polish was definitely more yellow than mustard and did need 3 coats. You could get away with 2, but for a really good finish, definitely needed 3. Do I think that's worth paying $17 more for? Not really. Depends on how much you want true mustard, and if it's just the cheaper polish on its own, are you going to know that it's not 100% just mustard color? What did you think? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you liked this video, I would really appreciate it if you would consider watching some of my other videos. I have a playlist full of beginner nail art, but I thought this was something just a little bit different and a little bit interesting. Let me know if you like this content. Thanks for watching. Bye.